Hey guys, Cred here. Welcome back to GNC Cube. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the cube in CFOP. Okay, so in the last tutorial I showed you how to solve the 3x3 in beginner's method, but there's another method which is called CFOP. Now CFOP stands for Cross, F2L, OLL, PLL. So that's CFOP. So now the new thing in this I'm going to be teaching you two things which is going to make you intermediate solver. So first thing you need to know is how to make the direct cross. What is direct cross? Let's just shuffle this cube now. So direct cross, so like normally what we would do is you would make a daisy, maybe like not really a pro at making daisies. Where is that piece? Yeah, so normally you make the daisy like this and then you would align and put them in like that, but there is another way to do it, which is directly looking at the pieces and then just solving it directly. See, look at that. That was so fast, right? Compared to like, I mean, it was not that fast, but yeah. Okay, so moving on, let's move on to the first case of direct cross. And the first case is the easiest of them when the white is on the down part. So how do you do this one? Is you just align it. Yeah, that's it. And then next one is also pretty easy. Is just here you align it like that. Now this one, now there's another. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, okay, so next case is when the piece is over here, the edge piece. So what you do normally when you do this in the second layer, imagine that you need to insert this piece here. So you just insert that here and you get that out. Then you just put it in like that. Another method to do that is basically, yeah, okay, so another method to do that is instead of just doing this, you can just, maybe if it's facing this way, then you can just do that, or else if it's like, okay, no, wait, yeah, if it's this way, then what you can do is put it up, put it on the way where it needs to go, and then just put that down, and then you can align it. Now this one, how do you do this is you align it towards this way and then you put it in a way that it's facing this way, and then you put it down and just put it back. That's how you do this. Basically that's how you make the direct cross. The next thing is you need to know is the F2L. So for F2L, let me just look for a scramble which you guys can also use. Let's look for a scramble then. Let's see, go to CS timer then. Okay, yeah, we have, oh no, I type cast timer. That's just CS timer, yeah. Okay, so we got CS timer here. So I basically will just open CS timer right now. It's opening. Yeah, okay, so let's just go for 3x3 here. Yeah, okay, and then you get a scramble here. You guys can copy this scramble if you want. Pause the video and see the scramble. Even I'll scramble. First I need to solve this cube, right? Let's solve it. Okay, so I'm done solving the cube, and let's just start copying the scramble. F R2 B2 R U2 R2 F2 R prime B2 R2 D2 B2 R2 BL R prime D prime R prime U2 B prime. Okay, so let's see. So we solve it in direct cross. We look at it, you put it there, then you align it here, then you move it in a way it's solved, and then just put it down. Okay, so next thing is F2L. So how do you do F2L? So the first thing that you need to know is how to make pairs. So pairs is basically making both edge and corner together like this. And how do you do that is, first thing you look at, you find a white piece, white corner. We find a white corner which has other two other colors. So you see what are the other two colors, which is here. For in this case we have orange and green. So you look for the orange and green edge. Where is it? So for now it's on the top layer. So how do you do this? So there are three cases obviously: white facing up, white facing you, and white facing this side. This side towards this guitar thingy. Yeah. Okay, so how do you do that is, so first when you have white as this on the top, so let's first go with white on top. So there are two cases I guess with white on top. So how do you do that is, first you align these this way, like the piece to its place where it needs to go. So you see right now it needs to go here, but instead of turning it this way, you turn it to the opposite side of where it needs to go. Then you align the edge with it, and then you just put it back. You got a pair. How do you insert pairs now? Now there are two ways of inserting. Normally in beginner's method, you insert like you do the algorithm and then you insert the pair like that. Same thing for this way, you insert it like that. So the next place where you have is, suppose the white is over here and the edge. So first you find a white piece here, you put it like this. Maybe there you put it like this. When the white corner is over here, when the edge is in the in the middle layer, so what you do is you align it with the you align it with the corner, and then you put the white edge, a white place up, and then you do a U2 move. You put the white place down, and then you see here we got. So now these places are these are joined together. So how do you separate them is, you put the white corner down, you put the edge away, and then you put the white corner back up. So in these ones there are two cases. One is this, when you, how do you align these? So first you put it in the place where it needs to go, and then you just do this moves. You check if it's aligning. If it's not aligning, if it's suppose if it's aligning. So let's see, put that here. Yeah, then okay, oh fine. Wait. Yeah, okay, so if it's like this, when the corners are matching, or when these two colors are matching here, then what you do is you align it, and then whether on the left or whether on the right, you just put it in a way like we put white face up, and then you just put it, align it with it, and then you just put it down. So you got one more pair. You see you're done with two pairs. Next case is when the white is facing you and the top place is in the way that it's not the same color as that. So what you do is you align it in a way that this place won't be fit the. So suppose you have white facing you, then you put the edge towards your left, or if the edge is here, then towards your right. So you put it in your left, and then you can just do this, which will make the pair. Now final case can be when both the edge and corner, and then this place you can do a RURA move, RURA like I taught you that algorithm, RURA prime U prime. This one, what you do is first you separate them, then you align it in this play position, you put it like this, and then you have a pair, insert it. There you go. You're done with the F2L part. So that's practically how do you solve the cube in F2L, which is I think pretty easy. It was actually hard for me a bit, but once you get the hang of it, then you can do it. So that's it for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye and keep cubing.